Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable box audit logs and retention policies step by step clearly. To enable box audit logs and retention policies, begin by logging into your box account. Ensure you have administrative privileges to access the necessary settings. Navigate to the admin console by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find and select Enterprise Settings. Scroll down to the Audit Logs section. Click on the Enable Audit Logs button to activate this feature. An information dialog may appear. Read the details carefully and confirm your decision. Next, locate the Retention Policies section within the same Enterprise Settings menu. Click on Add Retention Policy to create a new policy. Provide a clear name for the retention policy in the designated field. Define the settings for your retention policy, such as duration and action to take after the period ends. You can choose to either retain or delete content after the expiration date. Select the specific folders or files that this retention policy will apply to. Review your selections carefully to ensure they meet your organization's needs. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize the retention policy. You should now see your newly created retention policy listed under the Retention Policies section. To verify that audit logs are enabled, return to the Audit Logs section and check the status. Regularly monitor and review your audit logs to maintain compliance and security. Your box audit logs and retention policies are now successfully enabled and configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.